Guys, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss a video from us when we post them on a weekly basis. So yeah, subscribe to the Techipedia.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You, I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready. You got to let it go.
Hey guys, I'm Spondon back again with another video, and today let's discuss about the Redmi Note 5 Pro and is it still worth buying about almost half a year or like a few months after its release. So talking about the display first, it's a 18:9 with Full HD plus resolution display, and the display quality is not that bad. I would say it's a pretty good panel, but the only complaint I have with this display is that it doesn't get bright enough for me on in outdoors. It's legible outdoors, but it's not the brightest that I have seen. My Lenovo P2 with Super AMOLED display definitely beats this phone in this segment. And now talking about the performance of this device, this has got a Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz along with 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has also a 6 gigabyte variant, and it has 64 GB of internal storage along with MIUI 9 as of now and Android 7.1.1 Nougat, and it is supposed to get an Oreo soon. But the camera on this device is 12 plus 5 megapixel and the front is 20 megapixel camera, and they are pretty mediocre, I would say, nothing special. And the front facing camera is definitely a big upgrade as compared to the Redmi Note 3 and Redmi Note 4. As far as I am concerned, it's definitely more crisp and sharp than the other two phones, but the only thing is that the low light performance of these cameras are not that great. And talking about performance, the gaming performance of this device is pretty good, I would say. It handles every game I throw at it with ease. It doesn't matter if it's a 2D game or 3D game, and so you will enjoy this phone for playing. And the battery life is pretty good, and it has a hybrid SIM slot along with a headphone jack and micro USB port and an IR blaster. So is this a complete package? A 4000 milliampere phone, dual cameras, good front facing camera, iPhone 10 like display. So if you like these things, and then you can definitely check out this phone out. This is a very well built phone, and it's definitely a good contender even now in the market. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.